Akala namin simple magjowa lang yung nag-book sa amin, kaya kami sobrang na-shock nung may tumawag claiming that she is the legal wife at pinapa-cancel yung bookings nila. So welcome back to another episode of the Untold Stories of Being a Travel Agent series. So may nag-book sa amin, magjowa daw sila. So normally tinatanong naman namin kung ano yung relationship ninyo sa travel companion ninyo para din mabigay namin yung mga supporting documents na kailangan din ninyong i-ready para sa immigration. So magjowa daw sila. And then, na-confirm na namin yung bookings, lahat set na. Few days nilang ma-confirm yung bookings nila sa amin, may tumawag. Siya daw yung legal wife at pinapa-cancel at pinapa-refund niya yung bookings nila. So, sabi namin doon sa nag-claim na siya daw yung legal wife, since hindi siya part of the booking, we need to confirm it to the passenger. In-inform namin si sir, ang sabi lang niya sa amin is, hayaan na lang daw, siya na daw kakausap doon sa wife niya. Hindi pa rin naman matahimik si legal wife as she claimed, at talagang inaaway pa rin kami. So sabi namin sa kanya na hindi namin kasi basta-basta pwedeng i-cancel yung bookings at makakapag-refund kami basta-basta. So we need to confirm it to the passenger itself or doon sa lead person or kung sino man yung nag-book sa amin because we need to explain to them yung cancellation policy. Tsaka, normally kasi, di ba, pag na-book na yan, hindi na natin yan makakancel or ma-refund. Normally yon guys. Or kung meron man tayong ma-refund, hindi na siya buo or full na refund. Ewan ko kung anong nangyari kasi tumigil naman na si legal wife na tumatawag sa amin. So, this is a reminder guys na kapag nag-book kayo sa amin at gusto nyong mag-cancel, it's not that simple. Kasi nga, yung pera ninyo, once na binigay nyo na yan sa amin, our priority is to make sure na ma-confirm namin yung bookings ninyo. That's why, kailangan na namin i-book yung ticket ninyo, i-book yung hotel ninyo, i-remit yung payment ninyo sa mga suppliers. Kumbaga, your payment does not stay with us. So, when you ask us to cancel and refund you your payment, hindi ganun kadali. Kasi we have to coordinate with the hotel, the airline, or to all the suppliers. And then, we also need to abide with their own cancellation policy. And before we proceed, we need to discuss it with you kung ano nga ba yung status na ng inyong bookings. So again, as your travel agent, we're not keeping your money, we're protecting your booking. So that's all. So give me a follow and see you tomorrow for the next one.